you want to buy. Find the products the customer needs in the counter. Awesome! You found all the products! A new day begins. Let's get ready for business. Oh no! There are some stains on the shelves. Let's wipe them clean. Put the products on the shelves. Great! We are ready. Let's open for business. Hello, I would love to help. Please follow me. Let's take the customers to the shelves. The product you're looking for is right here. Feel free to reach me when necessary. The customer finishes shopping. Please check out the products. Scan the products. How would you like to pay? Here is your change. Thank you and have a nice day. Be sure to pay for the products before leaving. This customer needs to have boxed meal. Let's heat it up. Hello, let me help you heat up the lunchbox. Tear open the lid. Dispose the lid in waste bin. Put the box lunch in the microwave oven and heat it up. The delicious box lunch is ready. Here is your box lunch. Enjoy the meal. The products the customers want have been sold out. Let's go to the warehouse to pick up more. Find corresponding products and take them out from the boxes. Awesome! We still need 2 more products. Great! We still need 1 more product. Wow! We found all the products! Put the products on the shelves. Awesome! Customers can buy what they want. The customer finishes shopping. Please check out the products. Scan the products. How would you like to pay? Enter the corresponding numbers according to the amount on the screen. Insert the card in a POS machine and complete the payment after swiping the card. Thank you and have a nice day. The customer orders drinks. Let's get some drinks. Hello, let me get you some drink. Take an empty cup first. Press the button and the tasty drink is ready. Wow, the drink must taste good. Here's your drink. Enjoy! This customer would like to shop for products in the counter. Let's go get it. Hello, what products do you want to buy? Find the products the customer needs in the counter. Awesome! You found all the products! Scan the products. How would you like to pay? Enter the corresponding numbers according to the amount on the screen. Place your mobile phone over the contactless reader for successful payment. Thank you and have a nice day. It's a busy day and the floor is dirty. Let's mop the floor.